What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this FitStill GoPro silicone case. As you can see right here, just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what basically inside. Alright guys, so these are all accessories that come in the FitStill unboxing. As you can see right here, this is a case right here. This is one of the case cover made from rubber, and this is hard case cover which is made from plastic for the lens, and this is the enclose where you can charge it through right here, and this part right here is the lock for the battery part where you can basically charge it through this part right here to peel off this. So guys, please ensure that this part right here is not waterproof, so if you're going to use it into water, you need to use a waterproof case. Then we also have plastic for the lens protection right here that can protect your lens. This is the one for the back glass, and this one is for the front glass right here guys. We have more of them inside as well, as you can see guys. Then we have a cloth right here, you can clean our lens. So guys, here I have the GoPro right here, which is ear 11. I'm just going to demonstrate right here how this basically fit onto this right here. So please bear in mind that this does not come included in the package. All of the things that come in package right here is what you see right here guys. So to basically remove it, you have to just open it like that, and then take out this part right here just as so. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put on this case right here. Just clip it in like this, just like so, and then we can basically lock it. Now with this case right here guys, we have an enclose right here that you can basically use to charge your GoPro through, as you can see. Or you can basically use to clean up our lens. All those residue off. Then we are going to use the dry wipes now. As you can see guys, basically install right there, really perfect. Again with my wet. Alright guys, so inside the package right here we have these little cloth right here. You can basically clean off your lens of your GoPro once you finish install it, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to install this case right here onto it, so you can basically tuck it inside like this. As you can see guys, it fit perfectly inside right here. So we can still have access to this little mount right here. This is how it look inside. So there's a place right here that you can basically charge your GoPro through, which is basically great. See right here, which is going to access to that port. Also in the package we have this seal right here, rubber steel, that you can basically put it over it like this. So if you're not using a GoPro, you still can protect your lens right here with this guys, which looking really neat as well. And guys, whenever I hook up this whole GoPro right here, as you can see, this also come with an extra strap right here, this that you can basically use the strap to right here. So you can push this basically through right here. It's gonna give you an extra strap. It's work perfectly fine right there for unholding. So you can adjust this right here. You can basically place over your hand while using your camera on the go right here, so your camera doesn't fall off your hand. And also we have an extra string right here, so if this card basically bursts or anything like that, we have more string that we can basically use.